Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix your quality of your videos or shows or movies on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the PC, and I'll be showing this to you for PC only. It is a similar process for mobile devices as well, or the application, so you can just try and infer steps based on what I'm doing here, since the layout of buttons is a bit different. But pretty much what you need to do is go into the video that you want to play, and then once you're playing it, you're gonna get to this menu, and once your playback menu is up, in the top right you'll see this gear that says options. Click on that, and here you'll be able to select your video quality. Now, if the best or better video quality is selected and you're still getting good quality, or if the quality is a bit bad, then what you're gonna need to do is go and check that your internet connection is working perfectly. You need to pretty much minimize all other internet activity, just so that you free up some bandwidth on your system or on your network, so that you can get the best possible outcome for your videos. And that is pretty much all you need to do. It's pretty much all you can do, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any other ideas, we would appreciate it if you specify them in the comments below. But that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.